rumored secret deal between XRP Ripple and the Securities and Exchange Commission shows more than just a resolution. This is a shocking turn of events that has shook the financial world. It could make XRP a giant again in the world of cryptocurrencies. This decision could not only clear XRP of long-standing legal issues, but it could also make it worth an amazing $6,780. Impacting investors around the world and changing the way it moves forward. Because this is such a big change, we need to dig deep into what this deal means and look for the undercurrents that could cause a market upheaval that has never been seen before. As this story goes on, it's hard not to wonder if this is the start of a new era in cryptocurrency or the end of a speculative bubble. The case between XRP Ripple and the SEC began in December 2020 when the SEC said Ripple Labs sold $1.3 billion worth of securities that were not listed. This claim cast a large shadow over XRP's credibility and ability to become a top cryptocurrency. The legal problems stopped it from growing, making things unstable for both the asset and the people who invested in it. As the case went on, Ripple Labs kept arguing that XRP should be considered a currency instead of a security. If it were classed as a currency, it would not have to follow strict SEC rules. The main point of disagreement was figuring out how cryptocurrencies like XRP work and how their money is handled. Over the past few years, Ripple's operations have been affected by intense scrutiny and legal fights. These events have also brought to light larger issues of how to regulate and classify cryptocurrencies. Sources with knowledge of the situation say that the terms of the secret deal could include sessions from both Ripple and sessions from both Ripple and the SEC. These could be anything from big fines that Ripple has to pay to statements that set strict rules for how it can work in the future. The public still doesn't know all the specifics, but the market's instant and overwhelmingly positive response suggests that the terms were seen as good for Ripple. The settlement probably has rules about how XRP will be issued and sold in the future. These rules will make the strategies more in line with the law, which could boost investor trust. Some people think that the agreement may have included steps that could lead to increased interest in XRP by institutions and acceptance by most people. Now that the cloud of litigation has lifted, XRP's market situation looks like it's ready for a huge rise. According to financial experts, getting rid of legal doubts could cause it to skyrocket in a way that has never been seen before. This hope depends on the idea that more institutional investment will happen, which is made more likely by the settlement's legal clarity. Additionally, making XRP's activities more common could lead to new transactional uses that go beyond just speculation. Traders and chartists are both interested in the technical studies that show such a bullish trend. Expectations about how the market will act are based on both past data and guesses about what might happen in the future. This suggests that XRP might not only rebound but also go above and beyond its previous highs. That being said, the question still stands as to whether these predictions are based on fact or on short-lived optimism. The XRP settlement has effects that go beyond its local ecosystem. It's possible that this deal will set a standard for how other cryptocurrencies are handled by US law before any rules are made. It's possible that standard financial institutions will be less hesitant to use cryptocurrencies in their business once regulations become clearer. This could make more people use cryptocurrencies and maybe even make the market more stable. Analysts in the market think that if XRP is successfully integrated after settlement, it could make it more appealing as a liquid, stable, and legal currency in the financial sector. This could cause other cryptocurrency platforms to look for clarity and compliance, which would push the whole crypto market toward a more adult and regulated future. Analysis of prediction: the amount of $6,780. A number as clear and important as $6,780 for XRP gets people's attention. This prediction is based on a number of things, such as how the market is thought to be feeling after the settlement, the expected increase of institutional capital, and the way the market is moving in general. The numbers used in the financial models take into account things like rising demand, limited supply after the payment, and improvements in Ripple's network technology. These models predict a bullish scenario in which XRP soars to new heights thanks to its stronger legal position and better ability to run its business. Importantly, while these kinds of goals offer interesting possibilities, also be careful with them. In the volatile world of cryptocurrencies, predictions can quickly lose touch with what will actually happen. Opinions and insights from experts to put these guesses on solid ground. The opinions of financial experts and cryptocurrency researchers are very, very helpful. A lot of people agree that the settlement could be a big deal for XRP, but they also say to be careful and take into account how unpredictable Bitcoin markets can be. Experts in the field stress the importance of taking a balanced view, understanding both the opportunities for growth and the difficulties of navigating a world as complicated and unstable as cryptocurrencies. The advice from experienced market players adds to the feeling that even though people are hopeful, the future is still uncertain and depends on a lot of different factors. Investors act. And how the market feels the settlement was mostly met with approval from investors, showing that they have renewed faith in XRP security and future. When news of the settlement came out, trading numbers went to the roof, which shows that people were optimistic. But history shows that feelings can change quickly. The real test for XRP will be how well it keeps investors interested and confident over time. When it comes to cryptocurrencies, behavioral economics shows that there are cycles of hype that can both help and hurt these digital assets. For long-term investments in XRP, knowing about and predict these trends could be very important as the market continues to grow and change. Keeping an eye on these behavioral trends and market moves will be very important for figuring out how stable and growing XRP will be in the coming months and years. In conclusion, what's next for XRP Ripple as we try to figure out what will happen with XRP now that it has settled with the CC? Its story tells us a lot about how cryptocurrencies have changed financial systems around the world. People might think that the value of $6,780 is too high, but it shows how big the possibility is and how volatile digital currencies are. The deal could, in fact, be the start of a new era for XRP, one with clearer rules and more people participating in the market. But as with any business, and especially when it comes to cryptocurrencies, care and diligence are still very important. In the coming months, we will definitely learn more about this, what donde has affected people. This could be the start of a new era in which cryptocurrencies are used in regular banking. As XRP moves through this new area,